Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and also share. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple protective hairstyle. That's the Bantu knots. So first of all, I went ahead to divide my hair into various sections. That's about 16 parts. And I used mini rubber bands in sectioning the hair so that I won't find any difficulties when braiding the hair. As you can see, I'm done sectioning my hair. I'm done sectioning it. So I went ahead to braid the back section off camera. I didn't use gel to smoothen it because I will not be taking it for a long period of time. But you can decide to use gel to smoothen it if you'll be taking it for a long period of time. So when braiding, I braided it like braiding knotless hair. That's starting with my hair, then adding the extension to the hair bit by bit. So I'm finally done braiding my hair. So I'm just going to hold the hair and then curl it around the roots like how I'm doing it to get my Bantu knot. I kind of forgot to mention this earlier. So I didn't braid the hair to the tip because we'll be curling the hair. So I left about 4 inches of unbraided hair. So to hold the Bantu knot firm, you can decide to use your mini rubber band to wrap around the hair, that's the root of the hair, or use your got2b glue spray to just spray that side to hold it firm. But since I will not be taking mine for a long period of time, I didn't use any mini rubber band or any got2b spray to spray it. Finally done with my hair. This is my look. This is the back look. Look at the hair, it's looking really nice. So you can use this hairstyle for any occasion of choice, any occasion at all. It goes with any outfit as well. It has this kind of unique African look. You can add your accessories to it, that's your earrings or anything at all to make it look nicer. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, give me a thumbs up and also share. See you in my next video.